watch this, Avnish.
Got it! You're getting better at this, Kushi.
Thanks. I wonder how our bodies know how to catch and throw so quickly.
Maybe it is something to do with our brains and nerves. I heard our nervous system is like a control center for our body.
You are right, Avnish. Our nervous system controls all the actions and activities of our body.
Tell us more, Dad.
The nervous system is made up of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system.
Dad, what is the central nervous system?
Kushi, the brain and the spinal cord together form the central nervous system. It is the main center of control in our body and directs all our body movements.
Oh wow, Dad. What is the peripheral nervous system?
Kushi, the nerves form the peripheral nervous system. It connects every part of the body to the spinal cord and the brain. How about we go inside the house? I have a book on this topic that we can look at together. Follow me, kids. You will find this book interesting. Here it is. Let us start with brain. The brain is the most important part of the nervous system. It is protected by our skull and controls everything we do. You know, kids, the space between the skull and the brain is filled with a fluid. This fluid acts as a cushion and protects the brain from injury.
Dad, how does our brain control everything?
Good question, Avnish. The brain receives information from the sensory organs and responds to them by sending instructions through nerves to the muscles and glands for functioning.
This is interesting. Tell us more.
Sure, Kushi. The brain has three main parts. They are the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla.
What is the cerebrum?
Kids, the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is divided into right and left hemisphere. The right cerebral hemisphere controls the left side of us, and the left one controls the right side of us. It controls our thinking, memory, and voluntary movements like walking or picking up objects. You know, kids, our sense organs are under the control of the cerebrum.
So, we see, hear, speak, and perform various activities with the help of our cerebrum.
So, when I remember things or solve puzzles, that's my cerebrum at work?
Exactly, Kushi and Avnish. The next part is cerebellum. It is located under the cerebrum. It controls our balance and coordination. When you ride a bicycle, your cerebellum helps you stay balanced and a correct posture while sitting, standing, and walking.
And what about the medulla?
The medulla, also known as the brainstem, controls involuntary actions like breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It works even when we are asleep.
Dad, what is a snake-like structure?
Avnish, this is our spinal cord. It is protected by vertebral columns. The spinal cord is a red-like structure that spreads out nerves to all parts of our body. It controls some of the involuntary actions of the body.
Dad, which type of involuntary action is controlled by the spinal cord?
It controls reflex actions. Let me explain what reflex action is. Suppose you touch something hot. You quickly pull your hand away without thinking. That is a reflex action. Though the information is sent to the brain too, but the hand is withdrawn even before our brain gets to know about the pain. You know, kids, our spinal cord acts in three ways. Voluntary actions that involve thinking, involuntary actions that are conducted in our body automatically.
Wow, I did not know that our spinal cord is as important as the brain.
Do you know, kids, the messages to the brain or spinal cord are conveyed through nerves?
Dad, what are nerves?
Khushi, nerves are the thread-like structure which forms network in our body. It connects various parts of our body to the brain or spinal cord. They are made up of nerve fibers.
Dad, what are these nerve fibers made of?
Now, what is this? It looks like an alien creature from movies.
No, Avnish, your visualization power is good. These are nerve cells. They are also called neurons. The nerve fibers are made of neuron.
Dad, tell me more about neurons.
Of course, a neuron is structural and functional unit of the nervous system. A neuron has three main parts: the cyton, dendrites, and axon. The cyton or cell body contains the nucleus. Dendrites are branch-like structures which arise from cyton and receive messages from other neurons.
So, dendrites receive messages and the axon sends them?
Exactly, Khushi. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves.
What do they do?
Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. For example, when you touch a soft blanket, sensory nerves send that message to your brain.
What about motor nerves?
Motor nerves carry messages from the brain to the muscles, telling them to move. When you decide to kick a ball, motor nerves send a signal to your leg muscles.
And mixed nerves?
Mixed nerves carry both sensory and motor messages. They help coordinate the activities of different parts of the body. The human nervous system is truly amazing. It helps us interact with the world around us, controls our movements, and keeps us safe with reflex actions.
Thanks, Dad. Now I understand how our bodies work together to catch a frisbee and do so many other things.
Yeah, this is really interesting. I'll think about my nerves and brain working together next time we play.
I am glad you found it interesting.